Good morning of everybody. My name is not Dragos, not Radu. I am on the last, is Angela Ionita, because of the situation in Romania. My colleague have to be present for sustaining the dissertation for habilitation. And be careful with the question, because I am not specialized like Tom in chemistry. I am not specialized only in INSPIRE and so on. Anyway, the platform which I like to present is in the area, till now, in the area of the research. Wow, too much. Not previously? Okay. I would like to mention that our research starts from the fact that yes, urban population growth, and I shall profit by the first presentation. I don't give any details regarding the general situation according to some directives and so on, but I have to stress that is a problem. The growth of the population is a problem of the greater consumption of the resources, natural or proceed, and the problem of the water management at the level of urban area can be a big problem now. And we profit also by a lot of projects developed in the past, and a lot of study has been in the area. In the same time, a lot of geodata has been produced at the level of urban areas, and we beneficiate by the experience of our colleagues which work in the past in first two projects mentioned on the slide. And in the same time, we are aware about the evolution of the technological aspect concerning the internet exchange of data, and the language which will give some contribution regarding the development of the platform, including a lot of things in the research area. And my presentation will mention three, like a triad, three tiers of the architectural aspects of the platform, three target groups, and we will see at the finish that the last component will develop three types of tools. We mentioned the target groups because it's necessary to explain for different levels which is the benefits of the different kind of geodata, and especially for groundwater management. And it's not easy to explain, but every time is necessary to create or to improve the awareness that is a big problem. And for this reason, we address the first level to the experts, which are specialists in geology, hydrogeology, water management, geotechnics, and more another. For decision level, it is necessary to explain with few words, but very sensitive words, for decision making and decision makers area. And for the public is a problem to explain which means the public for the first time. The public means public institution, public administration, but in the same time addressing the public communities represented by different citizens, different interests, different stakeholders, and so on. The platform are three components. The platform is structured on three components using the new approach in the area of international standards for geospatial data transfer. The geodatabase has been structured based on the object-oriented approach, and of course we will use the expertise coming from Open Geospatial Consortium. The geospatial server is the first level, first tier, geospatial server application allows the communication between the client-side application, GeoPortal, the geospatial database, and the desktop platform component. I mentioned the three components: geospatial server application, client-side application, and desktop platform component. Different layers of information. This is a big problem because for groundwater management we need a lot of information coming from the different institutions in different formats, and the problem of the harmonization of data is a big problem, and the complexity is bigger. The GeoPortal application has the ability to give the opportunity for the user in order to formulate some queries, and in order to make some, how to say, analysis, but not deeply analysis, not really well specialized analysis, only to have an image in a picture of the content of the geodatabase of the interest of different specialists. Desktop platform for the moment is more developed than the remainder three components, because is designed to be used by specialists and researchers, and the platform is developed under GIS framework, and for the beginning we use some open source programs, but now we make a discussion with the institutions which are involved in the development and population of geodatabase for Bucharest city. And we try to work with ArcGIS, but in the same time we like to develop and to continue to develop the platform, and in this case we will use the facility coming from Intergraph in order to collect the data from different formats, and in order to create the framework or the building blocks in order to have a good imaging according to decision making based on the simulation and the modeling and the simulation of data. And okay, for the moment the desktop platform provide the possibility for geological analysis. I mentioned for the first time that there are three types of toolbox which are developed for them, which permit the export of data and the import of the results. On the short, we work with different specialists asking us to provide some tools in order to develop a lot of possibility for analysis based on the background of the specialist, but in the same time to put together the results in order to offer to the decision maker a picture for different small places or big places in Bucharest for the moment, and to give the possibility to formulate some scenarios according to the result offered by the analysis. We profit by the, as conclusion, by the standard transfer languages. We imply or develop some multi-criteria queries, and based on this, the results, we formulate some scenarios, and after this analyze the risk, the vulnerability of different areas. We will improve the content of hydrogeological database for Bucharest, and for the next step we will see, because it is necessary to involve step by step different institutions, and I have to mention that in Romania is not a strategical point of view till now according to the implementation of INSPIRE, but there is a methodological approach, not top-down, but bottom-up, starting from the local authorities, from different institutional aspects and requests. And in this context, we have to build a new tools and new platform to offer to the different stakeholders and in the same time to different requests of the different public authorities. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you very much.